Hi everyone, from Your Words Your Way. We're going to go over how to use FlipGrid. FlipGrid is a great program that's free or available online, and what it does is it allows you to record your stories in a nice, safe environment where other people can see your stories, but it's only people in your group. So I've created a group for our class, and that is what our website will take us to. And so how you work this website is I've given you the assignment. So this web address takes you right into the assignment that says personas. And then I've written just a couple of things to remind you what you need to be doing. So how do you present yourself online? Who will you be? And think about your background, your outfit, your personality that you want to share online. So when you're ready to record, you're going to click add a response. And when you've clicked add a response, what's going to come up is whoosh. What's going on? Look at how lovely I look today. So it's going to come up here, and then you're going to have these different things that you're able to do. So right now, this is not the background I would like to have. So I can click on backgrounds, and up comes a bunch of different options. So I can add that blur. I could even become someone in a robot world, which I personally think looks, that wouldn't be my choice. And I could be in a museum, or I could be even having a holiday dinner. So you can pick any one of these backgrounds that you'd like to have. And then, oh, look, I can even use my screen as a backdrop. Well, that's pretty cool. So you could have a website or something that you wanted behind this, and you could pick that to be your backdrop as well. So this is your backdrop. So I'm going to leave mine on blur just to keep the focus on me. And I'm going to close this. Then you've got some other effects. So you can add filters, which means that you're going to change the colors that you see. So you can play with this a lot. Sometimes this is where you like go down that rabbit hole where you're taking way more time getting this organized than actually doing the assignment. So it's up to you. I actually really liked this. Nope. This one. I think it looks kind of cool. So we're going to have this, and you could do all of these other things as well. Like you can clear them. There's stickers. You could add a smiley emoji somewhere in here and move it just off your face into the corner. Oh, that's not a smiley emoji. That's okay. So you can have this there, or you can take it out. And then under options, so there were a couple of you who were like, I'm not comfortable yet having my face online. So here's where you can do mic only under options. If you do not have a camera available on your computer, but you're videoing on your phone, you can upload your clip here, and your mic's here, and your recording screen. This would be recording the screen in the background. And then any device settings, etc. For this video, we're trying to keep it as simple as possible. So you're just, in my opinion, you just want to have maybe the backdrop, maybe your background, and maybe an effect if you want to try that out. Or you could just even have your voice so we can hear how you want to portray your story. When you're ready to record, you're going to click this circle here, and it's going to give you a countdown. And I'm just going to talk instructions the whole way through this so that you know how it works. So this over here is a blue line, and this blue line coming across is counting down the 1 minute and 30 seconds that I gave you to do the assignment. You, of course, when you do your story, could have it be longer. This is just a test run to see how comfortable you are, to see if you like what's going on. If you're ready, great. If you're done after 30 seconds, you're done. We're going to leave this going for the full 90 seconds. I'm just going to move this picture. It keeps popping in and out of my screen. It bothers me. Nope, still going to keep popping in and out. Interesting. Maybe if I go this way. I could do my thirds that I told you about yesterday, sitting in my thirds. So as we go through down here, we have our blue line still continuing across. And what will happen when we hit the end is it will actually stop recording for us. So we don't have to do anything else. If you want to stop recording beforehand, you just hit this pause button. Both of them will work. So if you go right to the end, it will stop for you. If not, you can hit the pause button. So let's try the pause button. And I wonder if you can keep recording again. You can. You could pause and be like, oh, that's not how I wanted that to go, and then start again. Or if your dog started barking in the middle of it, that happens to me a lot. Now it's starting to get red because I only have 7 seconds left. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and it's going to stop it for me.
Instructions the whole way through this so that you know how it works.
So I'm going to press pause. What happened here was it instantly went to the editing or completed section. Now the first time I did this during class, this screen here actually went red because I recorded 1 second over, which is kind of weird. But you can change this
I'm just going to talk instructions
by clicking on that.
So that you know how it works.
Sorry, talking over top of myself. But you can change and bring in and be like, I only want to show them this much. I don't want to show them the whole thing. That's totally up to you. So you can move this in and only show them a clip. And if you're not sure how much of it you want to do, you can just play
2, 1,
and it will actually play the whole clip for you. So I'm going to confirm this.
I'm just going to talk instructions the whole way through this.
And now it says, what else would you like to do? So I love adding music. I feel like that's super fun. So take time to smile sounds like it would be good. So I'm going to add that in. So I just press plus, and I'm going to move it back over here, and then I'll be quiet so you can actually hear it.
Talk instructions the whole way through this so that you know how it works. So this over here is a blue line, and this.
So there you've got the music in the background, and I'm going to just press next. At this point, you can download this video, and then you can keep it for yourself. So someone was asking if you could just record little shorts in this program. Yes, you can, and this is where you're going to download them. All right, next. This is called Making the Video to Show You How. And you can, look at all of these people. When we were in class yesterday, I forgot and didn't put my mouse over top, but you can edit the cover video. We could take a selfie. This looks so funny. Okay. Oh, I could add the backdrop to my selfie so I look like I match. Close it. Confirm. That looks good enough. There we go. I've changed and edited my cover picture. I did not do that yesterday, so my one from yesterday looks terrible. And then you can go back here to edit your video, or if you're ready to just show it, remember you're only showing it to the people in the class. You can post it to the topic. You wait while it uploads your video. Don't close the app while we process and upload the video, of course. So part of this yesterday, because the website went down, wasn't really helpful. I've posted it! So you can create a link to share that video, but we're trying to keep it within the group, so you can only share your own. Here is, look at this terrible video up front. Hilarious. So now if I reload this page, I should have two. Oh, I figured out how to do the selfie, and then this one where I clearly wasn't paying attention. So this is where you guys are going to post your assignments, and hopefully we get to see some different personas being shown. If you have any other questions, feel free to email me. I'm always happy to help.